morning ka-friend chef. Today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pininyahang manok. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 200 grams na chicken, 2 pirasong carrots, meron tayo ditong bell pepper, 6 cloves garlic, 1 piece onion, 1 piece tomato, 2 pieces calamansi, meron tayo ditong garlic powder, and meron tayo ditong pineapple chunks. Meron tayo ditong evaporated milk. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng fresh milk. And meron tayong gagamit tayo ng pineapple juice. And of course, meron tayong cooking oil and then salt and pepper. Okay, ka-friend chef, let's do the rock and roll. What to do next, ka-friend chef, is i-marinate natin yung ating chicken. Ilagay natin yung juice ng ating pineapple chunks. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng asin. Ayan. Maglalagay din tayo ng pepper. Ayan. And then, maglalagay tayo ng garlic powder. So, ayan ka-friend chef, imamarinate lang natin siya ng at least 1 hour bago natin lutuin. So, ayan, mix very well lang. So, ayan. Balikan natin siya later, ka-friend chef. So, next, ka-friend chef, sa isang preheated pan, maglalagay tayo ng cooking oil. Ayan. At pag mainit na yung ating cooking oil, ipapan-fry natin yung ating carrots. Ayan, ka-friend chef. Chef, napan-fry na natin yung ating carrots. So, what we're going to do next, sa the same pan, ilalagay natin yung ating garlic. And then, dagdag na rin natin yung ating onion. Yung ating kamatis. At this point, pwede na natin ilagdag yung ating chicken. So, yan. Ipiprito na lang muna natin sa ka-friend chef. Hanggang sa mag-golden brown yung ating. So, ayan. Balikan natin sa later. Kaya na-pan-fry na natin yung ating chicken. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating marinade. Ayan. And then after that, idagdag na rin natin yung ating pineapple juice. Friend chef, pwede na tayo magdagdag ng chicken knorr cube na nakalimutan kong i-mention kanina. So, ayan. So, hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship hanggang sa mag-evaporate yung ating pineapple juice or sa hanggang sa maluto yung ating manok. So, balikan natin siya later. Friendship, luto na po yung ating manok. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating piniritong carrots. Ayan. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating bell pepper. At saka yung ating pineapple chunks. At this point, pwede na natin idagdag yung ating evaporated milk. Isisimmer lang muna natin siya dyan ka-friendship ng at least 3 minutes. Luto na yung ating pininyahang manok. So what we're going to do next is mag-squeeze tayo ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pininyahang manok. So ayan, luto na siya ka-friendship. Ready for serving na siya. Ka-friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating pininyahang manok. So, ayan na siya ka-friendship. Okay ka-friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating pininyahang manok for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Mira at your service. Always remember to write it in your heart that every day is the best day of the year. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all. Bye-bye!